Now we can discuss, we can continue our chapter 6. Be my multiple. I will be your factor. We know that what is a multiple and a factor. The mouse and the cat. The hungry cat is trying to catch Kunyan the mouse. Okay. Then Kunyan is now on the 14th step. Oh, here is our Kunyan. Then it can jump 2 steps at a time. So 2 steps. One will be here. Then now 14. Okay. Next will be 16. Then next will be 18. Then 20. Then next 22. Then 24. Then 26. Okay. Then 27, 28. Here is the whole. Okay. Then she can jump. The cat is on the 3rd step. So here is our cat. Okay. Then he is on the 3rd step. So we can say that 3 steps at a time. That means she can jump 3 steps at a time. So mouse can jump 2 steps. The cat can jump 3 steps. That is the multiplication. Multiples of 3. Now 3. Then next will be 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then next 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then 10, 11, 12. Then 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18. Here. Okay. 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24. 25, 26, 27. 28, 29. Okay, leave it. Then find out whether the mouse can get away safely. So the steps on which the mouse jumps. So in which steps? So we know that 3 mouse jumps. So here is our mouse. Mouse is here. 14. Then next to 16, 18, 20, 22 and so on. So we can say 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on. 2 stable. Then the next one is the steps on which the cat jumps. Now he is at 3rd step. So we can say 3, 6, 9, 12, then 15, 18, like that way. Okay. Next, the question is the steps on which both the cat and the mouse jump. No, we know that here it is 18, here also 18. Common multiple. Okay. That is 18. So, can the mouse get away? Yes. Okay. Find out if the cat starts from 5th step and jumps 5 steps at a time. So, here it is 5th step. Then 5 steps. So, 5 table. Okay. At a time, and the mouse starts from the 8th step. Oh, 8th step. Okay. Then, and jump 4 steps at a time. Can the mouse get away? So, find out the answer. Who is Mondo waiting for? Mondo is waiting for somebody who you know for whom he is waiting. There is a trick to find out. What is that? Mark with a red dot all the numbers which can be divided by 2. So we know that all even numbers we can divide by 2. All even numbers. Okay, only even numbers we can completely divide by 2. Then mark a yellow dot on the numbers which can be divided by 3. So which numbers we can divide by 3? Then blue dot on the numbers which can divided by 4. So which numbers we can completely divide by 4? That means there is no remainder. Remainder will be 0. So at the time that numbers we have to mark by blue, and dividing we can divide the numbers by 3. That numbers we have to mark by yellow. Which are the boxes which have dots all of these 3 colors? That is, here we have to shade. That means in some boxes we have to use red, yellow and blue. Which boxes we needed to shade like that way? What are the letters on top of those boxes? We have to read the letters on the top of that type of numbers. Then write those letters below in order. So first we can shade the numbers divided by 2. So we know that here I am not using this color. Actually we need to mark by red color. Okay. So this 2 is there. Now I am going to put a tick here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These numbers we can divide by 2. Okay. Next 12, 14, then 16, then 18, then 20. Next 22. That means all even numbers. Okay. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, then 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, then 42, 44, 46, 48 and 50. Then 52, 54, 56, 58 and 60. So next we can mark with another way. Now we gave the tick for 2. Okay. Now we have to divide all numbers by 3. So which numbers are the multiples of 3? So now I am going to give like this way. For 3 I am giving mark like this way. Just one cross. Okay. 3. Then 6. Then 9. Then which number? 12. 12 plus 3 15. 15 plus 3 18. 18 plus 3 21. Okay. Then 21 plus 3 24. 24 plus 3 27. 27 plus 3 30. Then next 33. 36. Then next 39. Then 42. 42 plus 3 45. 45 plus 3 48. 48 plus 3 that is 51. 51 plus 3 54. 54 plus 3 57. 57 plus 3 60. Okay. Now we have to divide all numbers by 4. Which numbers we can divide by 4? First we know 4 is divided by 4. Then next 4. Then 4 plus 4 8. Then 8 plus 4 12. So here we can see we mark with the tick. Then here one cross is there. Here top tick also is there. So 3 came here itself. Okay. Then 12. Then next 16. But there is no 3. Okay. 16 plus 3. Sorry, 16 plus 4. 20. Here 2 is there, but there is no 3. 20. Then next 24. Okay. So here 3 came. Okay. That means we can divide 24 by 2, 3 and 4. Then next 24 plus 4, 28. There is no 3. 28 plus 4, 32. There is no 3. 32 plus 4, that is 36. So we can divide this 36 by 3 because here we can divide by 3, we can divide by 2, we can divide by 4. Then 36 plus 4, 40. There is no 3. Then 40 plus 4, 44. Here also no 3. Then 44 plus 4, 48. Here we can see 3 marks. One is tick under, tick top. Then next we can see the cross also. So we can divide by this number also, we can divide by 4. Then next 48 plus 4, that is 52. We cannot divide by 3. 52 plus 4, that is 56. We cannot divide by 3. 56 plus the 4, that is 60. So we can divide this number by 4 and 3 also by 2. So we can read the numbers we shaded here. M, that is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Now we can read the letters above this box. One we can see M. M, that is M. Next O, just above that 24 O. Next U. Then S. Next E. Mouse. Okay. So this was the hidden word. So we can say Monto is waiting for mouse. Okay. Children, we have to study more about factors and multiples. You all know that what is a multiple, what is a factor and all. Okay. In case of 6, we know that the factors of 6 are 1, 6, 2 and 3. That means in 1's table 6 is there, 2's table 6 is there, 3's table 6 is there. Also in 6th table 6 is there. Okay, so we can say that the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Then in case of 5, we know the factors of 5. Which all are they? 1 and 5 only. Only 2 are there. Because in 1's table 5 is there. Also in 5's table 5 is there. Then in case of 9, we know 1 is there. 1's table 9 is there. Then 3's table 9 is there. The next number is 9. Okay. That is 3 factors are there. 1, 3 and 9. Okay. Then this is the factor. Then in case of multiple, what is a multiple? That means in case of multiples of 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45 and so on. That is here. Then in case of 5, the multiples of 5, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Then factor 5 multiples of 7, 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, then 7, 14, 21, 28 and so on. So here it is very clear that factors are equal to or less than the given number. Then multiples are greater than or equal to the given number. Okay. That is factors of 18. Factors of 18 we know 1 is there, 2 is there, 9 is there, 3 is there, 6 is there, also 18 is there. Then factors of 24, that is 1. 1 is a common factor for all numbers. Okay. Then 1 is a factor for all given numbers. Then 1 is the factor of 1. Only 1 is there for our factor. Okay. Then but in case of 1 only, that will, the case is like that way. But in case of 2, 1 and 2 is there. 2 are there. But in case of 1, only 1 factor is there. That is our 1. Okay. Then that means in 1's table 1 is there. Any other table 1 is not there. But 1 is a factor for all numbers. Okay. Then 24. Then 2. Then 12. Then 3. Then 8. Then 4. Then 6. Then 24 also is there. So here we need to find the common factors. Common factors. What is a common factor? Common factor means here 2 is there. Common. Then next 3 is here. Here also 3. Okay. Then we can write 2 and 3 are common factors. Also 6 is here. 6 also here. So we can write 6. So we can say that common factors of 18 and 24. That means 18 we can divide by 2, 3 and 6. Also 24 is divided by 2, 3 and 6. So here the highest common factor. Highest common factor. What is the highest common factor? Is equal to 6. Okay. Is equal to 6. Then we can think about the multiples. So now we can write the multiples of 5. Then 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, next to 15, then 20, 24 and so on. Now we can discuss about the multiples of 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, then next 24, not 24, here it is 25, 24 and so on. Okay, so here we can write that common multiple. So here it is smallest common also. Okay, smallest common multiple is equal to 20. Okay, 20. So multiples are greater than the given numbers. Then factors are less than the given numbers. Okay, also that numbers will be there in both cases. Given numbers will be there in case of factors and multiples also. Okay. Now we can discuss about this page number 92, that is Sunita took some tamarind imli seeds. She made a group of 5 with them and found that one seed was left over. Then she tried making groups of 6 and groups of 4. Each time one seed was left over. What is the smallest number of seeds that Sunita had? So here we want to understand that the smallest common multiple. Smallest common multiple of 4, 5 and 6, that is equal to 60. Okay. So 6 plus 1. 1 will be left. If she group with 4, 5 and 6, there will be 1 left. That means this left we need to add with the smallest common multiple. Here the smallest common multiple is 60. 60 plus 1 is equal to 61. Okay. So we can say 61 seeds are there with the Sunita. Next, more tamarind seeds. Ammani is arranging 12 tamarind seeds in the form of different rectangles. How many are there? 12 are there. Okay. Then try to make more rectangles like this using 12 tamarind seeds. How many different rectangles can you make? So that is, we have to find the factors of 12. So according to that we can arrange. So we know the factors of 12 are 1, 12, then 2, 6, 3 and 4. These are the factors. According to this we can arrange these tamarinds. 12 are there. How can we arrange? Now we can arrange 3 and 4. How can we arrange? We know 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So we can arrange 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. So here total 4 are here and 3 are here. 1, 2, 3. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 seeds we arranged here. Okay. That is 3 length. Sorry. 3 width and 4 length. Okay. Now we can arrange this one in another form as 4 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. So now 4 width and 3 length. Now we can arrange in 2, 6. 2, 6 how can we arrange? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the another one rectangle. This is the one rectangle. But these are same. Okay. Numbers are same. 3 and 4. Okay. Then we can arrange this way also. 1, 2. Then 2 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now 12 are there. So we can say this also we arranged with 12 seeds. So these are the ways. This way we can arrange the seeds. Okay. That means we can multiply 3 into 4, 12 we will get. 2 into 6 we will get 12. Then next we can arrange 12 itself here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is also another one rectangle. Okay. If there are 15 tamarind seeds, how many rectangles can you make? That means we have to find the factors of 15. So we know 1 and 15 is there. Next 3 and 5. These are the factors of 15. So try to arrange these seeds. Okay. Next one is coloring grid. The question is, in the grid here, a rectangle made of 20 boxes is drawn. That means here 20 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, what is its length? What is the length of this one? Here it is 10. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 is the length. What is the width? Here it is 2. 2 is the width and 10 is the length. So 10 times 2, 20. 20 is the total number of boxes. Now, the question is, color a rectangle made of 20 boxes in some other way. So we know that 10 times 2, 20. Then 4 and 5 is there. Then 1 and 20 is there. Okay. So this way we can write that. So 4, 5, how can we do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To here 5 and to down we can make 4. So this is also a rectangle. We can shade it. So total how many boxes will be there? Here we know, here we will get 20 boxes. Can we count it? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We got 20 boxes. Okay. The question is, what is the length and width of that rectangle you colored? So we know that 4 is the length and 5 is the width. Next question is, in how many ways can you color a rectangle of 20 boxes? Color them all in the grid and write the length and width of each rectangle you have colored. So we have studied that 1 and 20 is there, 4 and 5 is here, then 2 and 10. So we can do that in 3 ways. Okay, another way. Next question. Next section is bangles. There are 18 bangles on the road. Meena is trying to group them. She can put them in groups of 2, 3, 6 and 9. You got the idea? And 18. Here 2, 3, 6 and 9 are the factors of 18. That means in 2's table 18 is there, 3's table 18 is there, 6 table 6 18 is there, 9's table 18 is here, 18's table 18 is there without any bangle left. That means these are the factors of 18. 1 is also is there. Okay. How many groups will she have if she makes groups of 1 bangle each? So 1 bangle, with 1 bangle we can make that 18. 18 we need to keep separate. With 2, how many groups will be there? 2 times 9, 18. So 9 groups will be there. Then 3 times 6, 18. So 3 with 3 bangles. That means 1, 2, 3. 3 bangles here, 3 bangles here. Then how many groups will be there? 6 groups will be there. So 3 plus 3, 6. Then 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each dot is representing 3 bangles. Okay. Now complete the table for different numbers of bangles. For each number, see that different groups can be made. Here actually we need to find the factors of the given numbers. Number of bangles 18 are there. So different groups we can make without a remainder. Okay, there won't be any remainder. That means we can divide this 18 by some numbers without a remainder. Which all are the numbers? That is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Here 1 and 5. Factors. 9's factors 1, 3 and 5. Okay, 1, 3 and 5. Then in case of 7, that is 1 and 7. Only 1 and 7. 2, 1 and 2. Only these numbers. Then 10, 1, 1, only 1 is there. Okay, makala. The next one is 1, 2, 5, then 10 is there. So remaining you please find out 20, 13 and 21. Write down here. Here children, complete the multiplication chart given here. Here we know that we have to write the numbers up to here. That is 100 will be there. That means 12 into 12, not 100. Here will be 144. Here 12's table, here 11's table, here 10, here 9 and so on. Okay. So here they marked with 12. So we know that here 12 is there. 12 times 1, 12. So factors. Okay. Don't forget. Then 6. Here 6 and 2 are the factors. Then 4. 4 and 3 are factors. Then here 3 and 4. Both are same. Okay. 3 and 4 are the factors. Next 2 and 6 factors. Okay. Then here we need to write that what are the factors of 10. That means we know that 10. 110 will be here. That is 10 multiplied by 1. So 10 and 1. Next 2 multiplied by 5. Here will be another 110. Okay. Then 5 multiplied by 2. Both numbers are same. Okay. Then 2 and 5. Okay. Then 1 and 10. Here it is. Okay. So we can write what are the factors of 10. We can write here 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1's table, 2's table, 5's table and 10's table. Can you do this from the chart? Yes, we found it. Okay. What are the factors of 36? We know 1, 2 times 18, 36. Then 3 times 12, 36. Then 6 times 6, 36. Next 36 is there. Find out all the factors of 36. Then find out from there by using the chart. Okay. What are the biggest number for which you can divide the factors from this chart? We can find the factors of 144 up to 144 from this chart. Okay. Then next write the factors of 25 in red circle. Here we need to write the factors of 25. We know that is 1, 5 and 25. Okay. In red circle and the factors of 35. That is 1. Then next one is 5. Then 7 and 35 in the blue circle. So here we can write the common factors. Here 5 is here. Here also 5. So we can write this 5 here in this color. Then purple color. Okay. Then we know that the common factor is 5. Then here we need to write the factors of 40 in this red circle and 60 in this blue circle. After that we need to write the common factors here. It is a homework. Okay. Try to do.